Hi, this is Jen Davis, MAPS coach, here with a quick tip today for you. How do we avoid buyer's remorse in a seller's market? How do we get them to feel comfortable with the process? We all know that the market is moving so quickly, and at the end of the day, we're still the fiduciary for the buyer. We want to secure the property of their dreams. We also want them to feel confident in the decision that they've made. What I know about buyers is that the more educated they are, the more confident they are in you and your ability as a buyer's agent, the better off they're going to feel at the end. And sometimes that's slowing down and allowing them to have the second showing in the house of their dreams. And I know a lot of you are thinking there's no time for that. There's no time in the market with as quickly as it's moving for a buyer to take a second look. My suggestion to you would be do it while you're in the showing. So after you've shown the house the first time and the buyers are giving you those key indicators that they're ready to make an offer, let them take a break, walk back out to the car, and handle the second showing right at that time. So what happens is it signals to the buyer that we're leaving the house. We give them a couple of minutes out at their car, maybe to have a drink of water or coffee or something else, and then we walk back in. And as a buyer's agent, we're treating that as a second showing. So what I mean by that is when we walk back in, we're not chattering, we're not filling the silence with talk. What we are doing is we're allowing the buyers to see it with a fresh set of eyes. This gives them the feeling of getting to see the house a second time. It lets them take in details a little bit differently. And what I can promise you is that they will appreciate the additional 15 to 20 minutes that potentially that second showing gave them. It will make the rest of the process that much smoother. They will feel like they have the opportunity to look in all of the cabinets and under, maybe all of the mats or those types of things. And it gives them the confidence to move forward, and it will help you out later on in the contract. So I hope this helps. Again, Jen Davis with MAPS Coaching. Go and help those buyers find their dream house.